Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a full face of makeup where everything on my face is $15 and under. So if you guys want to see this quick little tutorial and know about some great products that are under $15 that you can get on the low, then definitely keep on watching. So let's get started. So as you can tell, I already did my brows and I primed my eyelids for eyeshadow because we're going to be doing eyeshadow first. Now, as far as the brows goes, I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade, and this product is only $9.99. It's a great dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And then as far as what I prime my lids with, because I don't have a good drugstore eyeshadow primer, I went ahead and primed my eyes with concealer, and the concealer that I use is the CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Concealer. Great concealer, and it's also going to be the concealer that I'm going to be using on my under eye area today, and the concealer is $11.49. And the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today is this guy right here. So I haven't used this in a minute. This is the Wet n Wild and Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette, and this palette is $4.99. Wet n Wild has some great eyeshadow palette. So if you're looking for a good eyeshadow palette at an affordable price, definitely check out Wet n Wild. First, we're gonna take this warm brown shade on a blending brush, and I'm just going to place that color into my crease. I'm gonna go into this top shade. It's kind of like a light, very light cream shade. I'm gonna lightly tap into that and just graze that over the brow bone area. So going back into this shade right here, I'm gonna take a Morphe M408 brush, and I'm just going to drag that on my lower lash line. And just to give my eyes a little bit more definition, I'm gonna go into this deep brown shade, and I'm using a MAC 217 brush. And I'm literally just gonna focus that on the outer corner here, and blending it almost halfway up into the crease. Not completely into the crease, but just halfway up. All right, just to give my eyes a little bit more of a wow factor, I'm going in with a Black Radiant Eye Appeal Lid Glitz. This is the color in A-Lister, and this guy is only $5.99. It's kind of like a similar thing to the Stila Magnificent Metals, except A, it is 1/3 the price, and also it doesn't have a lot of fallout. Alright guys, so I have my lashes, liner, mascara on. As far as lashes goes, I have these guys right here. This is the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies, and these guys are going to be $6.49. And as far as liner goes and mascara, you guys already know what this guy is, Maybelline Lash Paradise. But the liner, I don't think I've featured this on my channel before, but I use this liner a lot. Literally, it is almost gone. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer 24-hour lacquer liner. Really amazing drugstore gel eyeliner. I used it today to create this very nice wings, these nice wings that I have today. If you guys are curious about what lash glue I use the Duo Adhesive, the dark one. I don't use the clear one. And the lash glue is $6.49. Alright, so let's finally move on to the part that I'm most excited about, is the face. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Primer. An amazing primer if you want to reduce texture on the skin, minimize pores. And I use this primer all the time. I specifically place this on my beard area as well as on my nose as well, and of course on the forehead for these lines that I have on the forehead. For foundation, I'm going to be using this guy right here. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I actually tested this foundation out in one of my foundation wear test videos. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave a link somewhere up and through here. And this foundation in total costs $14.99. Now, Be mindful, guys, that a lot of these products, because a lot of these products are drugstore products, like I actually purposely looked up like the highest price that you can find some of these products, because a lot of the time with drugstore products, depending on where you get it, depends on the actual cost of the product. So let's say, for example, the L'Oreal is $14.99 at like CVS, versus like if you go to Target and find it, it's probably $12. And then, or for example, like if you find it at Walgreens, it's cheaper than that. And then on top of that, you can do coupons and deals that they have, buy one, get one 50, buy one, get one free, things like that. And that's how you can get a really, really good deal at the drugstore versus going to, let's say, like an Ulta or a, you know, Sephora, things like that, where makeup tends to be like, okay, this is the price it is, and you are going to buy it at this price. There's no like real discount. We're gonna move on to concealer. So this concealer, this is the same concealer I use on my eyes as eyeshadow primer. CoverGirl It's Lit Concealer. Now for this part, I'm actually going to be using a blender sponge to blend out the concealer, and the blender sponge that I'm going to be using is the Real Techniques blending sponge. I actually got this during Christmas time, where after the holidays, a lot of the Real Techniques Christmas packaging was like half off. So normally one of these is $5, but I actually got this for $2.50. So that is definitely a great deal. So to set the face, the next two products, I don't use these all that much, but I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powders. I have the color in dark, and I also have the color in medium deep. Medium deep I'm going to be using under my eyes, and then dark I'm going to be using everywhere on my face, everywhere else on my face. And the price for these are going to be $7.99. We're gonna move into contouring and highlighting. So for contouring, I'm actually going to be using this palette right here. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in dark to deep. And I'm only gonna be using one shade in this palette, and that's going to be the middle shade. Do a very light contouring, really getting onto the perimeter of my face, just to add that dimension. And before I forget to tell you guys, this palette is also $7.99. Definitely a great palette since it has 3 shades in there for you. We have a lighter contour shade / kind of bronzy shade, and then we have the actual contour shade, and then a highlight shade. And with Black Radiance, this comes in 3 different shades. So there's, again, this one, dark to deep. There's also medium to dark, and then there's light to medium. So we're gonna move on to highlighters. So the highlight that I have right here is the Milani Strobe Light number 4 highlighter. This highlighter is so good. Goes onto the skin really smoothly. Doesn't look like a strip of glitter. It just gives you your skin a nice natural shine. And for this guy, this costs $9.99. And just see how like this looks really, like it just looks really natural. It melts into the skin really easily, and that's why I love it, just because it does blend skin really easily, and you can really build it up to however much you want to, or keep it really light. For lips, I am using the L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge Liquid Lipstick, and I'm using the color in I Stand. Great liquid lipstick formula. I really like the applicator and just how smooth this goes on, and this guy is $11.99. Alright guys, so we are now at the finish line. We just got to finish off with some setting spray. So this was actually really difficult to choose, because my actual drugstore favorite setting spray that I am out of is the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. That is only $3.49, so I definitely recommend that. But the 2 lower end setting sprays that I have the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. This one I honestly, I really don't like it whatsoever, but let me tell you guys the price. It is $8. Now, I also have another setting spray that is on the lower end that's from Morphe, and this is the Continuous Setting Mist, and this is $16. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray, since I am just going to, again, just take this makeup off because I'm not going anywhere. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me showing you guys a full face of makeup, everything under $15. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely leave a comment below of your favorite Holy Grail products that you wear that are under $15. Also, if you guys want me to do like a higher end version, or like my favorite products that I have that are the most expensive, then let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell when I do upload my videos, which are Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays when I upload. But yeah guys, I will catch you guys later in the next video.